Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. It'd be really cool. Today, I'm doing a look shopping my own stash for some classics and some underdogs that people may not have really gotten into the first time around. And one of those is the Naked Urban Decay Ultraviolet. And as I'm going to show you, this goes exactly perfect with my hair. It's even got like this little blue-green kind of thing happening and all these great violets. And I got a little black in there too. So this is a perfect palette to go with my hair. So I'm going to do a perfect look with it. So to get ready with me with the hooded eyes, I love you, it's no surprise. Boop, 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 boop. I do have partial for my missing tooth, but I forgot to put it in before I started the video, and I'm on crutches, and it's a pain in the ass to go to the other room, so bear with me. You know, is it really that important? Big picture? No. But we're going to do a beautiful look here, and I'm going to start with this color called Hacked in my crease. Let me find the perfect crease brush, which is this Refer brush, number 15. It's a little stained from crease colors, but look at that, that's beautiful. And I just put it in my corner there, and I just blend it. This is such a great palette. People really didn't give it a great reception when it first came out, but I dig it. I dig it so much I've kept it through lots of decluttering. So I'm definitely keeping this palette. So if you like my series, should it stay or should it go? This is staying, obviously. And I'm going to go into, look at that. I'm going to put that in my inside corner there. There's a cat in here. There's always a cat in here. I've got four cats. What do you expect? There's always a cat here somewhere. And a tissue would be nice. So I have a tissue. Wipe off my fingertips. But isn't that funny? I start with the crease in the inner corner. That's just crazy. But that's just how I'm rolling today. I'm really excited. Going out of town this weekend. By the time you see this, I'll be back. But we're going to the Riot Fest in Chicago. It's a music festival with like thousands of people and lots of bands. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm trying to figure out which brush to use. I'll use this little fella. It's another Refer brush, number 1. And I'm going to go into Warning. Look at that. It's like a beautiful fuchsia. Really gonna stain these white bristles, but you know, that's what they're for. It's a brush. It can be cleaned. Will it be stained? It already is stained, so no big deal. Oh, I went too low. Let's get that tissue. That's better. That is such a pretty color. It's banging. Banging. It's a banger, banger, banger. It's a banger. Is it the most pigmented? No, but I don't want it to be. But it's buildable. Now I'm going to go into Cyberpunk right here. Right next to Warning. I'm putting that darker color on the outside to give my eye some depth. That looks super good. Oh man, I keep going too low with the brush. So crazy. But that's looking super cute. I need to put something in the middle of my lid, so I'm going to go into VR, which I'm sure is short for virtual reality. And I'm just going to get a nice little brush for that. It's kind of a mauve color. Kind of ties everything together. I'll blend it a little more. We don't want a harsh line. That looks really pretty. I'm loving it. Let's do some liner and mascara. And I've got the Stay All Day waterproof. Oh, that's not the right one. The Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner. I definitely will need the waterproof eyeliner for the show because it's got a 50% chance of raining, which is sucky. But I bought some good ponchos. So we've got ponchos to protect us. And it's going to be cool. It's going to be in the high 60s and the 50s when it gets dark. And if it's going to be raining, it's going to be cooler, and it's Chicago, so it's windy. So we've got a lot to think about. But we're prepared. It rained last time we saw the cure. We tried to see the cure. And this is the Estee Lauder really great mascara. I can never remember the name of it. It's like Volume Plus or Super Rich or something. I got it for free from Influencer to give it a go. And it's pretty daggone good. It actually makes my eyelashes look like something. And I have so many mascaras. It's nice when one finally has payoff and works. I really should be curling my lashes, but I'm lazy. And I always forget. So, there it is. I've got a little mascara cleanup to do. That's just super pretty. I feel super pretty. I'm going to use my Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink number 65 Seductress for a nice nude lip. So pretty. I feel great about this look. So I hope that you've enjoyed my little hooded eye tutorial with the Ultraviolet palette from Urban Decay. Have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.